Hi there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create custom prevent lists in Jamf Protect. Custom prevent lists allow administrators to target specific software and prevent it from being run on enrolled computers. We begin in Jamf Protect. Navigate to Threat Prevention in the sidebar, then select Custom Prevention Lists at the top. Click Create Prevent List and enter an appropriate display name. For our example, I want to block specific torrent software, so I'm naming mine BitTorrent. There are several ways we can tell Jamf Protect what software to block. For a full breakdown, check out the documentation linked in the description. For this example, I'm choosing signing information and then selecting Signing ID. If you don't know the signing identifier for the application you want to block, there's a quick way to find it using a terminal command. Let's hop over to a test computer. I've got the software I want to block installed on this computer. Open Terminal and type codesign -dv space. Next, drag the target application from its install location into the terminal window to enter the file path. Execute the command, and Terminal provides a list of signing information about the app. We're interested in the second line. Identifier equals com.bittorrent.btweb. With that information in hand, let's move back to Jamf Protect and enter com.bittorrent.btweb into the list data field. All that's left is to save the custom prevent list. Now, when an enrolled computer attempts to run this torrent software, it is blocked from running, and the app itself is removed and quarantined. Thanks for watching.